Taking a look at problem number 61, we are going to ultimately want to identify what value should A and B be in this equation. So what is the amplitude and what is this vertical shift? So let's just do a rough sketch of what this looks like. I'm going to go 3 over and 1 down, 3 over and 1 down. This will represent that minimum value. And then I'm going to go over 7. So there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and up 3. Okay, and so the first thing we're going to do is we can see that we have a sine curve here. And I just want to take 1 second here to reiterate this. On this basic sine, which is different than up above, when I graph this, this would be at pi over 2, at pi, at 3 pi over 2, and at 2 pi. And so I want you to see that if I split this one cycle in half, 1/2 of it would be a length of pi, and then from pi to 2 pi is also length of pi. Okay, keep this in mind. So if I went from here to here, which is the maximum value and the minimum value, notice it's at half of this cycle. That we still have these two parts, 1/4 to the right and 1/4 to the left, which are combined to be half of a cycle. I don't need to draw this picture. What I need to know is that we're at 3 here and we're at 7. This represents the minimum and this represents the maximum. So between the minimum and the maximum, so think about from here to here, this distance here is a distance of 4. From 3 to 7 is a distance of 4. Well, from the minimum to the maximum is a distance of 4. That means the entire period is a distance of 8. The entire period is a distance of 8, or one cycle is a distance of 8. So I'm going to write down 2 pi divided by b, because I'm not trying to find the b. I guess I didn't have to do that. I'm doing way too much work. So sorry. All of this is true, but we didn't need to do that for this problem. It's important to read. I read it and then I jumped right away to much harder work. Okay, let's jump back into this. So we're at -1 here for a low, we're at 3 for a high. This is a distance of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Algebraically, we could say 3, subtract -1, and then divide it by 2. And that's going to give us the equation of the midline. So we have 4 over 2. I can go 4 over 2 is equal to 2. So it's going to get the equation in the midline. And the way that we do it is we go either from the top or the bottom, and we're going to jump down 2 or up 2 according to where we are. So 1, 2, and this gives us the equation of the midline would be at y equals 1. So we have shifted up 1. We can cancel at A, we can cancel at C. They said -1. Now A is the amplitude. So from here up to the highest point or down to the lowest point is going to be a distance of 2. We can see 2 is right there. Correct answer is 60, or 61 is B.